Hi, I am Dr. Vilson Scholz, visiting professor from Brazil here at Concordia Seminary. I teach biblical interpretation and New Testament theology. Please join me this summer for a workshop on the Bible we read in church. You know that we read the Bible in church, but you may be wondering, how much is read in church? Is it a lot or just a few portions? And why are we reading those texts? Is there a connection between the three readings, between the Old Testament lesson, the epistle lesson, and the gospel lesson? So the answer to these questions may enrich your participation in our worship services. So, join me for the Bible we read in church. I look forward to seeing you this summer.